This is Tasha. I am back with another video. Thank you so much for stopping into my channel. I would love it so much if you will hit the subscribe button below before you got out of here if you are not already subscribed. Today's video is going to be all about organizing this pantry that is behind me. I have a smallish pantry, and with all the extra buying that I've been doing while we've been in this pandemic, it's become quite a mess, if I may say so myself. So I am sick of looking at it this way, so I decided to purchase a few items to hopefully help make some of this organization a little bit better in this pantry. So I need to make a grocery store run, so I decided now would be the perfect time to go ahead and organize so I can see what I have and what I need to buy when I go grocery shopping. So if you are interested in watching this video, stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to do the quick rundown of the items that I bought first, and then we're going to jump into looking at this hot mess of a pantry and getting it all cleaned up, okay? Alright, so first up is this spice rack that I bought from Amazon. And actually, once I got it here, it's wide enough to actually hold canned goods as well. So I might order another one for my canned goods, but we'll see how that works out once I start organizing. But I like this shelf because not only is it, of course, 3 tiers so that I can actually see the spices that I have and they're not all stacked behind each other. This rack is expandable, so you can, of course, just use it the size that it comes, or if you need it larger than that, all you have to do is slide it and it doubles in size. So you can make this, you know, whatever size you need for your pantry. So I thought this was a very good idea because then you can make it larger or make it smaller depending on how many spices you have in your pantry currently, and if you need to buy more, you can always make it bigger. So got this from Amazon. I'll link everything that I have. As long as I can find it, I'll link it below in the description box. Alright. Next up, I bought these food storage containers from Amazon. It came with 8 in the pack, and they're pretty much average size. They're really tall or really long ones, which I did not want because, again, my pantry is not huge. And I don't have a lot of height except for the very top, so I didn't want them to be very tall. So I bought these from Amazon, and they came with 8 in the pack. They also came with 4 measuring cups or scoops that you can use with them. And then they came with some labels and a marker that you can actually label the items that are in here. So I'm going to use some of these from Amazon. Then I bought this carousel organizer for my K-Cups. I am not a daily coffee drinker. I drink coffee, you know, if I need it once a week. You know, other than that, it may be a good 2 or 3 weeks before I have another cup of coffee. So K-Cups last quite a bit in my house. So I got this because I already had the stand that you can sit right under the Keurig, and I used it for a while. And then once I realized, you know, I'm not using it so often, it was just taking up so much counter space that I just store them in the pantry now. And I figured this is a good way, again, to keep those organized and get some of those boxes off the shelf of using this organizer. I hope it works out because it's really cute and it spins so that I can see everything that I need. And then lastly, I got this wire basket from Target. It is so cute with like this copper detail on it. Not that anybody's really going to see it in the pantry, but I thought it was super cute. But I bought this to go at the bottom of the pantry, so to sit on the floor, because my kids always have a lot of snacks. You know, cookies, crackers, granola bars, chips, everything, and it's just all kind of all over the place. So I figured this would be a good way for it to all be in one place, and for it to be see-through and not like a woven basket, so that I can actually see what's in here before I go to the grocery store and know what I need to get. So got this cute little basket from Target. I already have, like once I open, you'll see I have what's considered a shoe organizer. I have it in the door of my pantry because I actually tried to organize the pantry maybe like a year ago and bought some things. And then over time, it's just gotten to look a mess again, and I realized I didn't do a good job the first time, so here I am again, trying it again. But you will see that, but that came from Target. It's old. I didn't purchase it with the rest of this stuff, but it is basically what you're supposed to use as, or what somebody would maybe use as a shoe organizer in their closet. I use it in the door of my pantry. So let's get it open, let's get it cleaned, and let's get it organized. Let go. I'm looking around because there's a lot of trash everywhere from me pulling everything out of the boxes. So I'm like, did I miss anything? I don't know. But this was also a great time to look at expiration dates on a few things and get those things out of here too. So we know everything in here is good, in date, and ready to go. So I'll give you guys a close-up in just a bit, but let me just kind of tell you what I did. Of course, the rundown here is still mostly snacks for the kids, paper plates, a few of my snacks at the top. Up here in the containers, I put my granola because I like to eat that with my oatmeal and yogurt, some grits, and then brown rice, which I have extra brown rice because for a few weeks I could not find rice at all because of this pandemic. So when I found it, I bought a ton of it. So I have extra, which should probably can fit. I'll probably go ahead and put the rest of this in here. But brown rice, some pancake mix, cornbread mix up there. Spices up here, and I didn't even have to really extend the shelf that far, so that was really good. I had extra space. And then the little K-cup fits perfectly here, and it does swivel. Put a little bit of my Trivia and my creamers next to it. And right here in the corner, I put the olive oil and then some marinades and barbecue sauces that I had. Shelf here, canned goods, peanut butter, jelly, some tea. And then down here at the bottom, try to put the stuff that the kids mostly want that they can easily reach. So they're microwave, macaroni and cheese, some applesauce, fruit cups, part tarts. And this little container that did house the spices before, I took it out and now I have those instant grits packets and then instant oatmeal in here as well. And then crackers in this container. At the very bottom, I have my pressure cooker, which I may move because I do have somewhere else I could put that. But for now, it's here. And then within this big snack bin, we have Belvia snack bars. We got some cereal bars. We got chips. We got goldfish, I think, or Cheez-Its, fruit snacks, a bunch of stuff in there for them to snack on. So let me bring you a bit closer and you'll be able to see what the finished product looks like. So. guys, that is it for this video. So if you guys have any questions, please drop those down below. And again, I'll link all the containers and things that I purchased from Amazon and Target. I will link those in the description box below. So please look there if you want any of those links. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.